Today is Friday. We're doing the Thursday packet. Although this geography test, you gotta get out of your Friday packet. It's the only thing we're doing from that Friday packet is the science test and the geography test. Start with your name on it. Get this one out of your Friday packet. And when you're done, you can put it back in your Friday packet or you can put it in your Thursday packet. Doesn't really matter. We'll find it. All right, our first section says use the word bank to complete sentences. 5 sentences, 5 words. A blank is all the businesses that provide one kind of good or provide one type of service. Number 2, the business of growing crops and raising animals is called. Remember, you can look these up on your TSI account. Number 3, a blank is low, flat land along a river. Think river. What would be along a river? Number 4, a blank river is deep and wide enough for ships to use. And then the last one, the hilly region at the base of a mountain range is called. Okay, each one of those will be used once. Don't guess. Look them up. All right, you flip yours over to the back. It should look like this. Circle the best letter next to the answer. We like to write ours out in front here, so make sure you write them out in front. The foothills of the Appalachian Mountains are called the, remember that strange word I kept making you say over and over, Blue Ridge, floodplains, Great Smokies, the Piedmont. Number 7, compared with those who live in the lowlands, people who live in the southeast highlands experience easier travel. It's easy to get around in the mountains. Cooler weather. It's cooler in the mountains. Better farming. It's easy to farm in the mountains. Or warmer winters. There's less snow in the mountains. That one's pretty easy too. Number 8. Where have many port cities in the southeast developed? Just above the fall line? In the Piedmont region, where the rivers met the sea? On islands off the Atlantic coast? Port cities, ports, little big huge boats, park. Number 9, the fall line is important because it determines how many tourists will visit, far rivers are navigable, fast the population grows, or short the growing season is. Number 10, what would have attracted people to want to build mills and workshops near fall line? Forest, farmland, waterfalls, coal. That one's pretty obvious. Number 11, which of the following is not a natural resource? Remember, it's something natural resource, something God made. Did God make the land? Did God put oil in the land? Did God make paper? Did God make water? Not a natural resource. Which one of those does not belong there? Number 12. How do floods cause damage? They tear apart homes with very fast winds. Now that causes damage, but I think that's a different story. They cover where people live with muddy water. They produce heavy winds and rain that damage homes. They freeze crops and prevent them from being harvested. Okay, number 13. Which of these is a product of agriculture? Cotton, furniture, shipping, steel. In other words, which one do you grow on a farm? Number 14, what type of storm does this picture show? Is that a flood, a blizzard, an ice storm, or a tornado? 15, study your state. Now this is the one we did yesterday real quick, so I'm going to help you with this one. How can you educate people in your community about a problem? Talking to your classmates? Yes. Write a letter to your mayor? Yes. Write an article for a newspaper? Yes. So it's got to be D, all of the above. Number 16, Hurricane Andrew changed thousands of people's lives because it provided water for crops, attracted tourist to Florida? I don't think so. Created weather forecasting jobs or destroyed homes and businesses. Remember yesterday we studied Hurricane Andrew. It destroyed what? And then the last section of this test, we're only taking this page, we're not doing the essay today. So you can use this map and your knowledge of social studies. Remember, this is the long growing season. 300 days or more, you can see it's the longest. And then along the coast and in this area is the second longest, which is really long. The third longest is in here, and then up in the mountains here, it's not quite as long, but it's still as long as we have in Wisconsin. Okay, which southern state has the longest of these four? North Carolina, Florida, South Carolina, and Georgia. So you're looking for the one that has the darkest color. Go ahead and write that one right out in front as well. You can circle it, I should say. Yeah, let's circle it. Which one? Which southeast state has the shortest growing season? Shortest. West Virginia, Louisiana, Alabama, and Arkansas. So shortest, we're looking at the lightest colored ones. Circle that answer too. Just pick one. And 19. Is the growing season longer in the mountains or in the coastal plains? Here's the mountains, and here's the coastal plains. There's the growing season, the longest. You can just circle one of those. Without the essay, it was kind of short, but we had to rush this chapter a little bit, so I didn't think I would be fair to give it to you. So when you're done, double check your name, make sure your answers are correct. You look these up on your TSI website so you got them all right, and then have a great rest of the day.